Okay, let's do some problems for engineering materials. So in this problem, we're going to be focusing on how many electrons does a particular electron configuration have. As a note, S subshells can only hold 2 electrons, P can hold 6, D can hold 10, and as we go further and further, they get more and more that they can hold. Now, this problem is actually really simple because it tells you the answer right in the problem statement. So these numbers right here at the top of my electron configuration, those are how many electrons are in that particular sub-shell. So like I said, an S shell can hold 2, so these two are completely filled. That's why we began filling up a P shell. So to figure out how many electrons this have, I simply need to add up those numbers. So 2 plus 2 plus 3 is how many electrons I have, which comes out to be 7 electrons. Okay, there we go. Now, what order do these shells go in? What if I said I've got 20 electrons, and with my electron configuration? That's a little bit harder problem. So let's walk through it. First off, what shells do I have in each thing? Well, it kind of stacks. So you start off on the first, with 1s. And then on the second one, you get 2s and 2p. In the third, you get 3s, 3p, and 3d. On the fourth, you get 4s, 4p, 4d, 4f. So you can see every single time I go down one of the numbers in the front, I get more options here. You always fill them up more or less in order. There is a little bit of magic that can happen with hybridization and some shenanigans in here, but for us, we'll just say that you fill them up in order. And so with that, each S shell can hold 2, each P shell can hold 10, each D shell can have 10, P shell can hold 6, each D shell can hold 10, and so you just begin filling them in order. So I'll start for 20 electrons. First, I fill up the 1s2, so it's got 2 electrons in it. Okay, that guy's done. Now I keep on going in order, so now it's the 2s. I'll put 2 in that one. Okay, that one's filled up. So it's only 4 electrons so far. I've got 16 more to go. I'm going to go to the 2p, which is 6. That's 10 electrons in there. I've still got more to go. So now I'm in the 3s. Okay, that is 12 electrons. Now the 3p. Up to 18 electrons. And then finally the 3d. Since I ran out of electrons, I only filled this in a little bit. And there you go. So this will be the electron configuration for something that has 20 electrons. So with that, you've seen a little bit of information about electron configurations. I hope this helps you, and I'll see you all next time. Have a good one. Bye-bye.